February is one of the most underrated months to travel to Japan. Beautiful scenery, fewer tourists, and experiences you can't enjoy in any other season. Hi, I'm Daiomata, local guide in Japan. Today, I'm gonna show you how to plan your itinerary for February in Japan. Let's talk about what you need to be careful about, how to make your plan, and lastly, 2 events you can only enjoy February. So let's get started. Why is February a good time? February is one of the least crowded months in Japan. According to last year's tourism data, February has fewer visitors than most other months. Many people avoid Japan in July and August because of the heat and humidity. But surprisingly, February has even fewer tourists than summer. This means shorter lines, easier hotel booking, and less stress while sightseeing. And of course, February is perfect for winter activities, skiing and snowboarding in places like Hokkaido and Nagano during this time. What do you need to take care of? The most important thing you need to prepare for in February is the cold temperature. You don't need extreme gear everywhere, but proper winter clothing is essential. What you need to bring is a warm coat or down jacket, gloves and a scarf, heat textile inner layers, and comfortable shoes. Be careful when adding certain areas. Some regions require extra attention, especially Hokkaido and Kyoto, because I think so many people include Kyoto and Hokkaido in their own itineraries. Hokkaido is far north, with heavy snowfall and sub-zero temperatures. Kyoto is surrounded by mountains, and many buildings are traditional and poorly insulated, so the cold feels stronger indoors and outdoors. This doesn't mean you should avoid these places. Just plan them properly. What is the basis of February travel plan? The key to planning a February itinerary is the balance. You should mix indoor experiences and outdoor activities. For example, if you plan outdoor activities like skiing in Hokkaido or Nagano, then when you are in Tokyo, you can focus more on indoor experiences like museums, shopping, cooking classes, tea ceremonies. This balance helps you avoid exhaustion and enjoy winter without feeling uncomfortable. How to find experiences? Many unique experiences are listed on platforms like Airbnb or Viator. From cultural workshops to food tours, it is a great idea to search and book in advance. How do I add events to my itinerary? Seasonal events are the easiest way to make your trip even better. Here are 2 February-only events that fit perfectly into a winter travel plan. Event 1. Plum Blossom Festival, Yushima Tenjin in Tokyo. Before cherry blossoms, Japan has a plum blossoms, and February is their peak season. Yushima Tenjin in Tokyo is one of the best places to see them. The atmosphere is calm, local, and much less crowded than spring cherry blossom spots. It's perfect for short visit, cultural photos, a relaxed afternoon walk. Event 2. Winter Illumination, Tokyo Midtown Hibiya. Winter illuminations are another February highlight. Tokyo Midtown Hibiya offer beautiful light displays that you can enjoy after dinner. They are free, easy to access, perfect for cold evenings. February may not be the most popular month in Japan, but that's exactly why it's special. If you plan smartly and prepare for the cold properly, February can be one of the best times to visit in Japan. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the button. See you in the next video.